It sounded stupid when I said it. Violence at NBC.
I heard you around or about in the lunchroom.
See, there it is. Violence at NBC, GE.com. I mean,
well, Allison should know.
What is internet anyway?
With an email address, you can tap into 20 million other computers on a worldwide system called the Internet.
Internet is that massive computer network, the one that's becoming really big now.
You can get to South Africa or anywhere else by going through a series of menus or typing an address.
You can send and receive mail to and from people all over the world.
It's interesting because one would think if you're anonymous, you do anything you want. But people have in a group have their own sense of community and what we can do.
Remember, not everything on the internet is picturesque or even pleasant.
It came from California, maybe. Traveled by electronic mail. It spread across America. How insidious was this virus?
Well, it spread very quickly.
What do you mean? How does one know? What do you write to it like mail?
The internet, at first, when you look at it and when you go through it, can seem overwhelming and complex. But actually, as you take it one piece at a time, one bit at a time, and explore it and have fun, it gets to be easier and easier.
The one thing that's missing, but that will soon be developed, is a reliable e-cash, a method whereby on the internet you can transfer funds from A to B without A knowing B or B knowing A. The way in which I can take a $20 bill and hand it over to you.
Let's move on to Bitcoin, shall we? That's a virtual currency.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. People use it every single day to transfer money all over the world.
It now allows us to receive payments from anywhere in the world instantaneously.
Right? I mean, Bitcoin is completely not understandable.
It is a huge deal. It's a huge, huge, huge deal.
It's impossible to be shut down. That's the beautiful thing about it. There is no Bitcoin place. You can't shoot Bitcoin.
No one's in charge. It's totally decentralized.
Okay,
Free
so
market.
Of course, it has its negative side. It means that the gangsters, the people who are engaged in illegal transactions will also have an easier way to carry on their business.
Money laundering, and for prostitution, and for drug dealing using bitcoins, anonymous bitcoins.
I think it's going to take a long time. I think it'll take a while, but I really think it will catch on.
We hear you, Jeff. I'm just trying to get to grips with all this technology stuff.
Just look at the venture capitalists that are already getting involved. Tim Draper, Mark Andreessen.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to replace international trade.
Cryptographic currencies are going to be a mainstay of our financial future. They are going to be part of the future of this planet.
It's fascinating.
This is the time where people should be trying really big, crazy things.
Bitcoin is the internet of money, and currency is only the first application.